How to remove Meta account on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you have previously signed up for a Meta account and you want to remove it, then tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the See More in Account Center option you see there, and now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Meta Verified. Tap on that, and now if you have previously signed up for Meta account, then your Meta subscription will be shown here. So tap on the Manage Subscription option you see there and then tap on the Cancel Subscription option. And further, follow the on-screen prompts in order to remove the Meta subscription. So this was about how you can remove Meta account on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.